Hi guys, my name is Connie and I'm currently a second year at SJSU. So in today's topic, it's how to get priority registration as a regular student. So as you know, when you take classes, the school likes to prioritize like seniors, juniors, sophomores, and then freshmen. And then before that, they have to accommodate to athletes and honor students. But if you do not fall in those categories or you would like to search up, I could link to a page on SJSU site that tells you about the ranking of priority registration. But in all case, if you do not fall into any of those categories, like you're not an honor student or an athlete or special needs, then this is a video for you. So what I found out is that SJSU has a note-taking service for regular students like me who can help people that need extra support and helping them take notes for them. That makes sense. It could be in person or in online. And there is this page called Note-Taking Service. I will also link that down below. Once you go to this page, you simply have to apply, follow the instructions. They'll ask you for, I already applied. You need to look at the requirements. It's 1 semester long. So you might be asking, like, how does this give me priority registration? Well, in exchange for your note-taking service for 1 semester, they will give you priority registration for the next following semester. So for example, it's fall. In my case, it's fall right now. So they will write you down. And when it comes to the end of the semester, when you apply for spring classes, you get priority registration. Registration start day is normally when you are allowed to. You can contact them to see if you're on the list, but normally they're really good at it. And they'll put you under that category and you should have priority registration. So just a little insight. This is the sign up page. You need to put in your ID, username, email address, and they might ask you a couple questions. But since I signed in already or registered, this is all I see because I already signed up. So there are instructions. You need to upload them 24 hours. If you do get accepted, you have to upload your notes within 48 hours, as it says here. And you're taking notes. It could be handwritten notes or it could be online notes. They will have a section where you can either take a picture or download a PDF of your notes on Google Docs, for example, and you upload it on there. So I will show you how it looks like. So once you do the application, okay, let me tell you about the application. Once you apply, you would put in your schedule. So, for example, fall, I started the note taking in the beginning of fall. I already got my classes. So once I get my classes, you put in your class schedule. For example, right here, you would put in your class schedule and then you would verify them. And then they would list them out here. And then they will assign you based on a request. So for example, if someone has, because there's another end to this. This is the note-taking side that I'm telling you about, but there is a, the student that needs the extra support will also go through this note-taking service and say, I need help for this class. And if they happen to find a note taker that's within the same course, they will match them together. You do not know who you're note taking for. You just note take and then submit it and it's anonymous. So you input your schedule, they will match you with someone that's also taking that schedule, taking that class with you in the same section, and they will assign you right here. And then it'll say that you're assigned, someone requested, you click view. And then you can upload your notes. So this is what I have to do at the end of every class. I do it at the end of every class because I remember. So is this, and then you keep track of the weeks. So let's say week 10 on Monday, and then you submit it and then you upload it. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And then it has a log of everything. And then you can view it, delete it, whatever you need to do. But that's basically the process once you're in. But another thing is that it's not a guarantee that you will get assigned to someone because they have to request for it. So I will tell you that they notified me when 2 weeks after class started. So like the school year started, I was wondering if I was going to get matched or not. I wasn't really sure. But then I just left it alone. All of a sudden they emailed me. They will contact you through email. So I would check your email hopefully frequently. And then you say, okay, I'm able to do the note service. And you just start right away. That no one contacts you or anything besides that one email. And then you just log in. You would log in and see that you are active for this class. As you can see, I was not assigned to any of the other classes, but I was lucky to have I was lucky that someone needed help for this class. So I was able to get priority registration for this coming up spring semester. Okay, that was a lot of information, but to summarize, priority registration for regular students, go through note taker services, and request to be a note taker for one semester, and you can get priority registration for the next semester. This is very important, especially for sophomores. I would like sophomores that are going to be juniors and junior fall semester to register for spring, because when you get priority registration, you get first choice, obviously, and you get to choose like your teachers, the schedule that you want, and it just flows a lot better. And I say those two are the most important years because once you get to upper division classes, it gets harder to sign up for classes. Everyone's like fighting for it. And you do not want to be in a situation where you need to take that class, but you're too late. You don't want to be in that situation. So what I did was I went through this method and I got priority registration for spring semester, so I am covered. You don't really need to do it as a senior because you can, once you're a senior and you're about to graduate within the next year, you can sign up for, I think it's called graduation. You fill out the graduation application, and I believe they give you priority registration for the last 2 years because since you're a senior, they're going to prioritize you because they want you to graduate. So they're going to prioritize you and then let you select your classes. But overall, I hope this was helpful. I think that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I do check it once in a while, and I'll try to make more videos if needed. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you.